life. This thing right here, you came out of it. It fed everything you needed, even when you was in water. This thing right here, nigga, was your medicine. So this is our medicine. So our women stopped breastfeeding us and we start getting sicker and our minds start going, we went into dark ages because our women became industrial and they become men and they stopped breastfeeding and they sexualize the breast. And we have now made it alien for human beings at our age to drink breast milk, but it's okay for us to drink cow milk or milk. That's the world we live in. This is the essence of all of our problems. This is our nutrition, and the nutrition is our connection to our woman, and that's it. That's it. It's all about breast milk. Boom, done. Philosophy over. You'll have consciousness. You'll wake up. You'll be like, oh yeah, that's right. Oh, all the medicine is in her body.
So let me ask you a question, brother.
What's up?
Being that you know how important and powerful that black woman is, why do you constantly shame her live on the air, constantly beat her down, and you do it on camera? It's like you call the cameraman to come on over here, get this, make sure you get this, look at it, and then you begin to call her a hoe, a bitch, a slut. And then when you get mad enough, brother, you even make them fight each other, brother. Is that what a king in rulership supposed to do, or a god is supposed to do? I would like for you to address that.
Well, actually, no. A god wouldn't make them fight. A god wouldn't call them names. A god would actually kill them. But I've been more than merciful. So listen, what's important about it is that our women are goddesses beyond their imagination. And I refuse to take this, what white supremacy has done to my goddess. I know I will curse your ass out until you reach my standards that I know you can be. I will not accept this shit. No, I want my woman back. I know who I am, and I know this ain't my shit. And I want my woman back, and I want my land back. I'm back.
We got a brother in the community, and the people love him as well. We call him Black Jesus Minister. I don't think he got nothing on you, brother. I don't think Black Jesus Minister got nothing on you, brother. In fact, Black Jesus, that might be a powerful debate. Let's talk about the woman, the first lady, man, Velvet. Is there a possibility of Velvet coming back home with her little king in her arms, man? Let's talk about Velvet for a minute and the pain she went through. Why would she want to come back?
Did he say Velvet? He said Velvet. You might hurt me. Like me, not with that color. Like this.
What are you smoking, by the way, man?
A herb.
What kind of herb is that? What they call it?
Not the one you smoke. Something a little bit different.
Uh-oh.
But I know a friend that knows a friend that knows a friend. Let's talk over air. He said, right? Let me bring the camera in close to my face. I want to tell him a story. Ready? Water me. Water me. Excuse me. Oh. The breast milk was so good. Do we have more in the fridge? We have more? Oh. I need a little bit right now. Can you bring me some?
Do you remember the question, brother?
Yes, you were telling me about, you were saying something about Velvet.
Yes, the first lady, Velvet.
Oh, the story of that.
As far as her coming back. Hold on, calm down, brother.
Yes.
As far as her coming back, is there a possibility that you think Velvet might be coming back with her little seed, with her king? Regardless of all the pain she went through, the hell she went through because she came here and told everybody. So I'm just going by what she was saying, brother. So I'm gonna leave that up to you and let you address that.
Okay. Before the white man got here, we had a way of living. Without the prison system here, the black man rules the earth.
All right, he froze. He froze.
God, chief, 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 chief. And see, then our woman didn't disrespect us because, why? There was no one else but us to protect her. So there was a different mindset. And a woman would never think in her mind to ever cross her chief because she knew that her chief protected and provided for her. Oh! Take his child. What? 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 If a woman disrespect a chief, we eat her. We eat her, not abuse her. Eat her. You come to our tribe and you betray the chief. Oh, if white supremacy wasn't here, we would feast. Yeah, it's because we're cats. You see that? I'm a panther. That's what the fuck I am. I can't hold it in. We're all cats.
This Negro done lost his motherfucking mind, yo. From Jesse Jackson to an indigenous American chief then to T'Challa in a matter of fucking seconds. I told you this nigga suffers from DID. Google that shit. Dissociative identity disorder. I'm serious, man. I'm DSP. This is Onslaught Multimedia. Onslaught Multimedia 2. Please be sure to like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, then select all to get every single notification. I truly appreciate y'all. I'm out, y'all. Peace.